Hey guys, welcome back to Buckeye Backyard Barbecue. Today, we're gonna make a simple but delicious vegetable soup. Stick around, it's gonna be fantastic. Alright guys, so the ingredients list for this awesome hearty vegetable soup that's great for any winter or cold day. We have about 2 pounds of hamburger meat, mixed vegetables, so frozen's fine, or you can do fresh. I got some tomatoes, I got tomato sauce, you can use tomato paste as well. Some diced onion, chicken broth, salt, pepper, and garlic. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do, guys, is add some of that chopped onion to the pan. No real measurements here, just pour it all in, whatever you want. With that, we will cook the hamburger meat. Bring you guys back when all that is browned up and ready to go. Alright guys, so one thing I forgot to do is actually season the meat right away. Gonna be a lot of liquid in there, so a lot of seasoning, just some salt, pepper, and garlic powder. I'll probably add more into the soup when the whole thing's in there. Now all we gotta do is drain out this grease. Alright guys, now it's time to construct, and we moved on to our soup pot here. First thing we do first, I'm just gonna put up 4 Roma tomatoes I'd cut up. You can use any kind of tomatoes you want, or any form of tomatoes. What you can even use canned if you like. I'm using frozen mixed vegetables. It's peas, carrots, green beans, and corn. Dump it in there. 1 can of tomato sauce. Drain meat. Enough chicken broth. Cover it all up. Might have to get another container. Yep, 1 more container. YouTube confession. I don't have any more chicken broth, so I'm gonna do the cardinal sin and just add a little water to it. And we'll go from there. Nice, good mix. Kind of put them on medium-low. Let it heat up, let it simmer for a long time, or as long as you want. Just gotta cook those vegetables through. Cook those tomatoes down. Bring your flavors together. Add more salt and pepper if you'd like. Bring it back when it's done. Alright guys, this has been cooking for a while now. And I'm going to go ahead and dish them up and see how it comes out. And that's super hot, so I'm going to let that cool off before I give it the old taste. Alright guys, let's give this vegetable soup a good old taste. So good. You guys gotta give this a try. Put some oyster crackers in there, it's gonna be on fire. Thanks for watching. Have a good winter, guys.